Hi, today I came across this video of UiPath product manager has been explaining OpenAI agents, how to create them within UiPath in a secure way and deploy them and govern them. It caught my attention and I felt how come something is possible. So I wanted to give it a try. I created this FinOps Triage Agent, which is going to do this purpose of what this agent actually does is it is going to act as a triage orchestrator, and it is going to route the intent based on the proper identification from emails or whatever the source can be. So it calls two specialist agents called as Claims Ops Agent, which will have separate tools: claim status, case creation, broker email draft, and everything. And second specialist agent is Policy Ops Agent, which will tackle the deductible portions, required documents, and SLA lookup, and all these things. And what is the main business purpose it is solving is there are mixed requests before, like in one email, the human finance operations specialist will get a lot of confusing questions. So this agent solves them by bringing clarity to them, and it automates a lot of tasks for them. That doesn't mean that the human agent is going out of job, but this is going to enhance their job by processing multiple claims or multiple operations in no time. Like, let's say if it is used to take to process one claim per day or two claims per day, it is going to give them wings of processing 10 claims per day. And the problems before this agent are manual classification, slower responses, and inconsistent handling and context switching of the humans. But the agent is solving standardized first response, automatic routing, and action ready outputs. And who can actually use this? Finance operation analysts, claim coordinators, policy operation analysts, team leads, and anyone like. And secondary users can be the automation developers or any one of this. What help it provides, right? It provides a faster triage like auto routing and reduced manual efforts, because there are so many tools that are inside this. I'm going to demo them to you. And standardized communication, lower onboarding burden, and extensible architecture. And internally how it works, there is a nice diagram that I prepared. It's user submits the message and triage orchestrator classifies the intent and hands off to the specialist agent. The specialist agents are both of these, and they will handle the specialist calls, and response is returned to the human within no time. And why this framework? Because UiPath has already had an integration framework with LangChain. Now it came up with OpenAI SDK because OpenAI has native multi-agent primitives and very quick, like, you can build prototypes within no time, and clean CLI deployment and minimal code for split and easy migration. And if you give the comparison why it is actually needed for between the LangChain SDK and the OpenAI Agents SDK, core style is agents, handoff, and everything. And best fit the multi-rate agent routing, where LangChain experts in stateful graphs and complex flows. And learning curve is lower for triage, and it is higher when you are using a LangGraph agent. So let's go into the next demo. So here is the documentation that I've referred to build this AI agent. Uh, this is something that I can post in the description of this video as well. And without any ado, I will start my agent. This is something that I named Finance Agent Demo. And I will click on Start here. And I have to remember that you have to pass your own API key, OpenAI API key. You can get that from the OpenAI console. And you have to give the intent. Because we are running it in the debug mode, this is not internally connected to an end-to-end process. I'm going to just give the intent of like this, how to a message like check status on this claim 10042, and I will hit start. And let's see, let's wait for a couple of seconds and see what happens here. The agent is still in the start mode. It's pending mode. In a couple of seconds, it starts running now. And within no time, you should get your output. And you can check the traces here. Oh, I did not notice. It's already has received me, gave me the output. Okay, so it is saying, okay, let's see first, verify whether it is successful or not. Yes, it is successful. And now let me show you how this triage agent is working. Because it identified it is a claim, right? So it has called the ClaimsOps agent. Instead of calling the PolicyOps agent, it called the ClaimsOps agent, which is the first success. And now it is giving me the output here. And I'm using the cheapest model possible, which is GPT-5 Nano. So that is the thing. And I've routed the ClaimsOps for status check, and you'll be contacted for the next steps. So that is the thing. And going to the next one, you can also publish this by using the UiPath push command from the command line interface, and get this rolled out as a studio project. But for that, you have to first create a UiPath Studio project and give that project ID, and which automatically gets pushed. And this is the nice representation of exactly how your OpenAI shows their agents SDK. So UiPath has shown the same way. And going to the next one, this is my architectural diagram. Employee starts requesting, and Triage Orchestrator will process it to the two agents, the ClaimsOps specialist agent or PolicyOps specialist agent. I haven't implemented the data stores yet, but that is in the plan of implementing. And I pushed everything to a GitHub repository. If anyone is interested of how to leverage this or how to get hands-on to understand this AI agent using UiPath and OpenAI SDK, please reach out to me. I'm happy to share this with you. All right. Thank you.